Hello students, so here we are going to talk about circulatory system. You know that circulatory system, it consists of blood vessels and a sort of pump. And what is that pump? Yes, that pump is heart. Okay, before going ahead about studying these organs, let's go through that how do these substances move around the body and which organs are involved in this system. So as you know, I was mentioning about heart, blood vessels and blood. These three are the main constituents which are actually making circulatory system. And why is it name given to them? Because this system is the one which actually helps the substances move around the body. Okay, because circulatory system in animals, when we are talking about that, you know, it helps the substance to move around, means it is transporting useful substances. And what are those useful substances? Those useful substances are oxygen, for example, which is absorbed from a gas exchange surface. And then, you know, if we are taking the another example, that is nutrients, which is actually being absorbed from the part of the gut that is adapted for absorption. So circulatory system is helping the substances to move around. It is not only helping the substances which are useful for the body, but also helping other waste substances such as carbon dioxide to be transported out of the body from, you know, gas exchange surfaces. So we need to understand that circulatory system, it is helping all these substances to move around the body, whether they are useful or they are waste substances. Okay, so circulatory system is helping this. Now let's move on. When I have just given you the example of oxygen and carbon dioxide, what does it mean? You must have heard about respiration. If not, let me tell you. What is respiration? Respiration is the chemical reactions. Okay? And what does it involve? It involves absorption of oxygen and the removal of waste product carbon dioxide. So what happens? Like here, you know, I have given you the example in this animation. You can see this is the cell and this is the blood vessel. So what will happen? Oxygen, it will be absorbed from blood vessel to the cell where it is needed for respiration. And how it is being transported here? By the blood, circulatory system. Okay, so when here in the cell, what will happen? Respiration will happen. So the waste product will be produced. What is the waste product? Waste product is carbon dioxide and it has to be excreted from the body. So what will happen? It will be transported to, it will be diffused out from the cell to the blood vessel, and from this blood vessel it will be taken to the surface where gas exchange surface where it will be excreted out of the body. Okay, so this is just, you know, one of the example, and this is the main example for the absorption of oxygen and removal of carbon dioxide in respiration. Okay, now, you know, we will talk about the circulatory system which carries two types of blood. Okay, so now, you know, we will move on to our next lecture. I see you there. Thank you.